Hello students, in my previous session we have solved solution of the non-homogeneous PDE. In this session we have discussed the solution of the homogeneous PDE involving derivatives with respect to the one independent variable. Suppose that the dependent variable has been differentiated partially with respect to one independent variable, say x only, then the PDE can be treated as the ordinary differential equation, and we are already familiar in solving ordinary differential equation. The arbitrary constant in the solution are then replaced by arbitrary function of the other variable y, giving a solution of the PDE. Here solve dou square z divided by dou x square plus z, that is equal to 0, given that when x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y, and dou z by dou x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y. When x is equal to 0, dou z by dou x is equal to 1. Here you must observe that this is the homogeneous partial differential equation, because every term either containing the derivative or one of its partial, either derivative or dependent variable z. Here this term containing both derivative and dependent variable z. In the second term, that is containing dependent variable. Therefore, this is the homogeneous partial differential equation. How to solve the homogeneous partial differential equation? Here we can take the z. Z is a function of x only. Z is not a function of x and y. Here for solving the homogeneous PDE, we treated z is a function of x only, and treated remaining variable as constant. Treated remaining variable y as constant. Therefore, let us suppose that z is a function of x only. The given PDE assumes the forms of ODE. Therefore, this will become, the PDE will become ODE when z is a function of only one independent variable. Then that PDE will become ODE. What is PDE? Z is a function, here the dependent variable is a function of more than one variable, then that is the PDE. Here z is a function of only one independent variable, then this will become the ordinary differential equation. Therefore, this assumes the form of d square z divided by dx square plus z is equal to 0. This is the d. This is the ordinary differential equation. This is the partial differential equation. Therefore, this will become d square z divided by dx square plus z is equal to 0. Here z is the common term, take it outside. What is the remaining term? Here d by d square, d by dx square can be written as capital D square. Here z is common, plus 1 into z, that is equal to 0. Here what is the auxiliary equation? M square plus 1 is equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 1. Take the square root on both sides. M is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1. Therefore, m is equal to plus or minus, what is the root of minus 1? That is I. This is the complex root. Therefore, what is the solution? What is the solution? What is the YC? Therefore, that is equal to C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Here this is the homogeneous PDE. Therefore, we have only the complementary function, that is the solution. Here only YC. The YC is the solution. Therefore, that is equal to C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. The solution of the PDE is got by replacing C1 and C2 by functions of y. Here we have initially we have taken z is a function of x. What are the constants? The function of y is the constant. Therefore, we have taken C1, C2 as the function of y. Therefore, C1 is replaced by f of y and C2 is replaced by g of y. Therefore, that is equal to f of y into cos x plus g of y into sin x. This is the equation 1. Now we shall apply the given condition to find the f of y and g of y. By data, when x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power, z is equal to what? Z is equal to e power y. When x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y. Therefore, equation 1 becomes z is equal to e power y. Z is equal to e power y, that is equal to f of y. What is x? X is 0. Therefore, cos 0 plus g of y sin x is 0, sin 0. Here sin 0 is 0, 0 therefore f of y, here e power y is equal to f of y, cos 0 is 1 plus g of y, sin 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Therefore f of y into 1 is f of y. Therefore f of y is equal to e power y. F of y is equal to e power y. And also by the another given condition, when x is equal to 0, dou z by dou x is equal to 1. Therefore using this or differentiate this term, we get dou z by dou x. Differentiate this term partially with respect to x, keeping y as constant. Therefore dou z by dou x is equal to, here with respect to x, f of y is the constant, right, as it is. What is the differentiation of cos x? It is minus sin x into f of y plus, here right, g of y is constant as right as it is. What is the differentiation of sin x? Differentiation of sin x is cos x. And apply the second initial value when x is equal to 0, dou z by dou x is equal to 1. What is the dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is equal to 1. It is equal to, right, minus f of y as it is. What is x here? X is 0. Therefore sin 0 plus g of y. Here x is 0, that is cos 0. Here sin 0, 0 into sin 0 is 0, 0 into anything is 0. Here cos 0 is 1, 1 into g of y is g of y. G of y is equal to 1. Substitute this in above equation z. Therefore what is the value of f of y? F of y is equal to e power y. G of y is equal to 1. Substituting equation 1. What is the equation 1? This is the equation 1. Therefore z is equal to, what is f of y? F of y is e power y into cos x plus g of y. What is g of y? G of y is 1. G of y is 1. 1 into sin x is sin x is the required solution. Next problem, solve dou square z divided by dou y square, that is equal to z. Given that when y is equal to 0, z is equal to e power x, and dou z by dou y is equal to e power minus x. You must observe that this is the homogeneous PDE, because every term containing either z, either dependent variable z, or one of its partial derivative. Therefore this is the homogeneous partial differential equation. How to find the solution of homogeneous partial differential equation? Let us assume that z is a function of the independent variable. Z is a function of y only, and keeping x as constant. In the previous problem, that is the dou z by dou x, we assumed z is a function of x, but here what is the independent variable? Y. Therefore we assume that z is a function of y only, and keeping x terms as constant. Therefore let us suppose that z is a function of y only, and the given PDE assumes the form of ODE. Therefore this can be written as d. Dou is there, therefore we can write d. Therefore d square z divided by dy square, that is equal to z, or d square z divided by dy square. Shifting this term, that is minus z, that is equal to 0. Here in these two terms, that is a constant, take it outside. What is d square divided by dy square? That is capital D square. Here capital D is equal to what? Here capital D is equal to d by dx. Here z is a common term, therefore minus 1, that is into z, that is equal to 0. What is the auxiliary equation? M square minus 1 is equal to 0. M square is equal to 1. Here m is equal to root of 1. Therefore m is equal to plus or minus root of 1 is 1. Here this is not a complex root. This is the real root. M is equal to plus 1. M is equal to minus 1. What is the solution of the ODE? Z is equal to, first write the first term, first root, plus 1. C1 e power C1 into e power 1 into y. Here not x, because z here, what is the PDE? Dou square z divided by dou y square. Therefore we must write solution in terms of z is equal to in terms of y. Z is equal to in terms of y. Therefore z is equal to c1 e power 1 into y is y, plus c2 e power minus 1 into y, that is minus y. And how to get the solution of the PDE is replacing c1 and c2 by function of x. Here z is a function of y. What are the constants? Function of x, reverse. Hence the solution of the PDE is given by z is equal to we take c1 as f of x and c2 as g of x. Therefore, z is equal to f of x into e power y plus g of x into e power minus y. That is equation 1. Now we shall find the values of f of x and g of x by using the initial condition. By data when y is equal to 0, by data when y is equal to 0, z is equal to e power x. When y is equal to 0, dou z by dou y is equal to e power minus x. Therefore, by data when y is equal to 0, z is equal to e power x. Equation 1 implies what is z? Z is e power x, that is equal to, write f of x as it is. What is y? Y is 0. What is e power 0? E power 0 is 1. 1 into f of x is f of x plus, here y is 0. E power minus 0. E power 0. What is e power 0? 1. 1 into g of y. G of x. G of x. Call this equation 2. Also by data, when y is equal to 0, dou z by dou y is equal to e power minus x. Here how to apply this condition? Here we must have dou z by dou y. Therefore, here z is there. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to y partially. Therefore, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y and keeping x constant. And therefore, dou z by dou y, that is equal to, here this is the constant, right, as it is. What is the differentiation of e power y with respect to y? It is e power y itself minus, here write the g of x as it is. Here with respect to y, what is the differentiation of e power minus y? Therefore, minus 1 into e power minus y. Next, applying the given condition, dou z by dou y is equal to minus e power x. This value is e power minus x. It is equal to, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. For e power 0, 1 into f of x is f of x. Here y is equal to 0. E power 0 is 1 into g of x is g of x. Call this equation 3. Next, solving equation 2 and 3, we get the values of f of x and g of x. Solving 2 and 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. E power x. E power, here 2 plus 3. If you adding these two, plus g of x minus g of x get cancelled. F of x plus f of x is 2 f of x is equal to, similarly adding LHS also, e power x plus e power minus x, e power x plus e power minus x, or f of x is equal to, divide 2 on both sides. Therefore, here 2 get cancelled, f of x is equal to here divided by 2. Therefore, e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. What is e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2? There is the cos hyperbolic x. Therefore, f of x is equal to cos hyperbolic x. Similarly, 2 minus 3. Here this is 2 minus 3. Here 2 minus 3 is here this will become minus f of x. Here minus of minus is plus g of x. Therefore, plus f of x minus f of x get cancelled. Here this is g of x. Here minus minus g of x is plus g of x. G of x plus g of x is 2 g of x. 2 g of x is equal to, here 2 by 2 minus 3. This is e power x minus e power minus x. E power x minus e power minus x. Divide 2 on both sides. 2 get cancelled. G of x is equal to divided by 2. E power x minus e power minus x divided by 2. That is equal to sin hyperbolic x. This value is sin hyperbolic x. Therefore, we shall substitute f of x and g of x in equation 1. What is the equation 1? This is the equation 1. Z is equal to, what is f of x? F of x is cos hyperbolic x. Therefore, cos hyperbolic x into e power y plus g of x. G of x is sin hyperbolic x into e power minus y. This is the solution. Next problem. Next problem. Solve dou square z divided by dou x square plus 3 into dou z by dou x minus 4z is equal to 0. Subject to the conditions that z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1, and dou z by dou x is equal to y when x is equal to 0. You must observe that this is the homogeneous partial differential equation, because every term containing either z or one of its partial derivative. This is the homogeneous PDE. What we have to do, how to find the solution? Let us suppose that Let us suppose that z is a function of the independent variable. What is the independent variable? X. Therefore, let us assume that z is a function of x only. Then the PDE will become ODE. You must write in the place of dou, we can write d. Therefore, d square z divided by dx square plus 3 into dz by dx minus 4z is equal to 0. You must observe the difference. This is the dou, this is d. This is the PDE, this is the ODE. Therefore, next, z is the common term, take it outside. D square divided by dx square can be written as capital D square plus 3 into what is d by dx? D by dx is capital D. Z is outside. Here z is outside. Minus 4 is equal to 0. What is the auxiliary equation? M square plus 3m minus 4 is equal to 0. Here by using the calculator, find out the roots. M is equal to 1, minus 4 are the roots. These are the real roots. What is the solution for the homogeneous differential equation? Therefore, that is the ZC, complementary function Z. The complementary function is itself the solution for the homogeneous PDE. There is no YP, there is no ZP here. For Z is equal to here C1 into e power 1 into x, because here independent variable is x. Therefore, you must write Z is equal to in terms of x. Z is equal to in terms of x. Therefore, Z is equal to C1 e power x plus C2 e power minus 4 into x. How to get the solution of the PDE? By replacing C1 and C2 by, here Z is a function of x only. What are the constant? Function of y is the constant. Therefore, we can replace C1 and C2 by f of y and g of y. What is C1? F of y into e power x. C2 is g of y into e power minus 4x. This is equation 1. And differentiate this with respect to x. Why we differentiate this with respect to x? Because the initial condition is dou z by dou x. Therefore, that's why we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. Therefore, dou z by dou x is equal to, with respect to x, y is constant, right, as it is. What is the difference of e power x? E power x. Here, what is the difference? Here, with respect to x, g of y is the constant, right, as it is. What is the difference of e power minus 4x? Therefore, minus 4 into e power minus 4x. That is equation 2. By data, what is the dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is equal to y when x is equal to 0. What is equation 2? Equation 2 becomes what is the dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is equal to y. That is equal to, what is x? X is 0. E power 0 is 1. 1 into f of y minus. Here x is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 into 0, 0. E power 0 is 1. 1 into minus 4 into g of y. Minus 4 into g of y. Call this equation 3. Again, by data, z is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. Therefore, what is z? Where is z? In equation 1. Therefore, substitute these values in equation 1. Therefore, what is z? Z is 1. Therefore, z is 1. 1 is equal to here e power x is 0. X is 0. E power 0 is 1. 1 into f of y. Here x is equal to 0. E power minus 0 into e power minus 4 into 0 is e power 0. That is 1. 1 into g of y. This is equation 3. This is equation 4. Here 3 plus 4. Adding these two. Therefore, solving these two, 3 and 4. Or take 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. This is 3 minus 4. Therefore, here f of y minus 4 into g of y. This is minus. F of y and g plus f of y minus f of y get cancelled. Here this is minus 4 into g of y. This is minus because 3 minus 4. This is minus. Minus g of y minus 4 into g of y. That is minus 5 into g of y. RHS, what is the value? Minus 5 into g of y. Here LHS 3 minus 4. That is y minus 1. That is equal to minus 5 into g of y. What is g of y? Minus 5 into g of y is equal to y minus 1. 3 minus 4. Therefore, g of y is equal to divide minus 5 on both sides. Divide minus 5 or Cross multiply minus 5, it goes to the denominator. Minus is there, multiply minus sign, minus, here this is minus, this is minus. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Therefore, g of y is equal to 1 minus y divided by 5. And similarly, how to get f of y? By solving 3 and 4. Here, how to solve this problem? Here, write f of y from equation 4. What is f of y? Here, this is 1, shifting this term, that is minus g of y. Therefore, f of y is equal to 1 minus, what is g of y? G of y is 1 minus y divided by 5. Therefore, f of y is equal to, take the LCM. 5 is the LCM. 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 1 into, here minus 1 into 1 minus y. Therefore, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus of minus is plus y divided by 5. F of y is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 plus y divided by 5. This is f of y. Substitute f of y and g of y in equation 1. That is equal to, what is equation 1? That is equal to f of y into e power x. F of y is 4 plus y divided by 4 plus y divided by 5 into e power x plus. Next, what is g of y? G of y is 1 minus y divided by 5. 1 minus y divided by 5 into e power minus 4x. Into e power minus 4x is the required solution. This is for homework. This is for homework.